Hello, everyone, and welcome to Christine's Creativity Cabinet. Well, today I have the first Dollar Tree haul of 2021 to show you, and I found some pretty cool stuff, some new things that I hadn't seen before. So let's just get going with it. First of all, I want to just show you they had these, they had all the Valentine's Day stuff here. They had these wonderful signs, which they've had before. What I like about these is that it has like little grooves in here so that the shiplap is, it's still not real shiplap, but it looks a little bit more convincing because there's actual real grooves in here as opposed to just marks. And then, of course, it has the wonderful little metal heart that's on here, which you could pull off and use for other DIYs. But then I got two of those, and I also saw they had ones that say home. And they have a kind of faux wood background on them, which I think is kind of cool, too. So these have some definite DIY possibilities. So, and then let's start going through the bags here. Okay, it's like I watch other people's Dollar Tree hauls and I think, oh, I have to get some of that. I have to get some. And of course, I go to the store and they don't have them. But that's always kind of made up for by the fact that I find some things that weren't in the hauls. And this is something that I found that I think is really cool. It's these little box art things. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's made out of wood. It has a little thing on there. And then look at the sides. Isn't that cute? It's got little clouds on the sides. That says thankful. This says grateful. And it has little stars on the sides. And this says blessed, and it's got little hearts. And these just really scream DIY to me. I think there's something definitely DIY that I can do with these little boxes. So those over there. And then this is something else that I saw that I haven't seen in hauls. This is really cool. These are just really cute kind of bunches of kind of neutral farmhousey type of greenery. And they had several different kinds, and I got one of each kind. And then, this is something that I saw other people haul that I think is really cool. It's a beautiful sign. Isn't that neat? I'm torn between wanting to do something with it and just like having it just be the way it is. But we'll see about that. And then they had these ultra big wooden hearts, so I got one of those to do some sort of DIY with. That's it for that bag. This bag, I got, let's see, they had some self-sticking felt hearts, which that could be something I could always use. And then they had these wooden heart stickers. I remembered that I had some of these from last year, so that's why I didn't get very many. I just got one package of that. Then they had these. This I think is really cool. Look, it says love there. They're the little picks. But in addition, they have like 3 heart picks, and then they have the ones that spell love. And I'm thinking that these letters, I could pull them off the picks and use them in something, because they're like 3-dimensional letters. So I think that's pretty cool. I got another package of these. These are beautiful stick-on jewel embellishments. And I've used these before in other DIYs, and I wanted to get some more. They had these wooden signs in the craft section, which I like the shape of these, and so these have real DIY possibilities. And the main reason that I wanted to go to Dollar Tree was I saw other people haul. They've got a new collection of fairy garden things that again has the sweet theme like last year, and that was what inspired me to make the ice cream village. But I saw that they had a bunch of new things, so I wanted to get them to add to my ice cream village. So they have they've got these kind of sundaes and parfaits. Got those. Look at this. I love this. This has a little, I guess it's what you call an alicorn because it's got the horn and it's got the wings. But what I really like is that it has these little macarons there. And then there's this little thing that says Candy Carnival. And you could put there. That's kind of a sign thing. And then, look at this cute, it's kind of like a donut car. It's very cute. I've got more of these things in other bags that I'm definitely going to add to my ice cream village. Then let's see. they had red truck signs that are shaped like trucks. So I'm thinking I'm going to do something with that. Probably making it into some other sort of red truck thing. And then they had, this is something I saw other people haul that I really wanted to find. It was it's a trailer. And I could maybe DIY the back and do something else with that. But I was lucky because this is the last one they had in the store. Got it. I found these. These are in the frame section. Very nice, kind of deep set shadow box frames. Isn't that nice? So that's definitely something I could do a DIY with. I got 2 of those. And they had some more of this wire garland with the berries on it. And this time it's more like a Valentine's Day theme, so they have ones that are like pink. And then I've got ones that are red. And they're both like glittery. But I love this wire garland. I think it's really neat. Here's my receipt. I can't forget that. Then they had these. This is like a 2-pack of signs. But what I like about them is that the one of them is like black like this, so I could do a chalkboard thing with that. So I got a couple of those. And these were 2 for $1. And oh, look at that wire! The wire hangers on there. That wire could be reused. So I got 2 of those. And then let's see. I love these Godiva masterpieces. They're so good. So I just got a couple more. Got a few of those in my stocking, but I've already eaten them. And then, here's another fairy garden item. They're cute little, they look like little cupcakes. So then, let's see, what else? Another bag here. Let's see. Oh, I always love cheddar and sour cream ruffles. I just had that for a snack in the office. Oh, here's another one of those packages of kind of neutral greenery. Got one of each kind. They had this in the party section. These are all just little styrofoam ball vase filler, and this is all just different colors. So I'm thinking that this could make a really good. I find that I use these little styrofoam balls for a lot of different things in my DIYs. So it's nice to have them. Oh, haha! That cute little trailer. That's another one of the new fairy garden items. I was glad that I did that because that section was already really picked over. So, but I managed to get, I think, most of what I wanted to get. In the hardware section, they had this nice white rope. I've been using the black rope a lot, and I think I decided I'd get some of the white rope, see how that would go. Oh, this is really interesting. This is another thing that I saw that I haven't seen other people haul. There are these little decorative knobs. Isn't that cute? And I'm thinking that I could do that in a DIY. I could maybe make some sort of small trays where I use these as the handles for the trays. They had little clouds, they have little moons, and these are kind of like sunburst shapes. Oh, here's some more of the fairy garden stuff. They got a cute cotton candy stand and donut shop. So that's really cool. I've got some more. Oh, this mainly has snacks in it. I already got a couple more of these, and I've already eaten them because I was running late and I didn't have a lunch, so I ate. But I got one more to have as a snack for later on. Decided to give these cookies a try. They're fudge covered graham rounds. That sounds good. They have Cheez-It Snapped, the 2-pack like that. I've tried those before. They're pretty good. Velveeta cheese sauce. I have a quick, easy way to make just a kind of instant mac and cheese. You get a package of that Barilla Ready pasta, the elbow macaroni package, and then you just heat it up, and then you mix in one of these cheese sauce packages, which you get at Dollar Tree. And so I'd run out of those. I have a whole bunch of the macaroni packages, but I didn't have any of the cheese. So these are cool. Those are going to go home. And some more of the Godiva masterpieces, except the other ones were dark chocolate. These are milk chocolate with salted caramel, and those are also really super delicious. And let's see what we got here. Oh, they had some beautiful, again, they had beautiful baby blankets, and I love to get them for the fleece. Isn't that cute? It's got pandas and koalas. And then they have this one, this design, which is really cute dinosaurs. And then this one has this kind of Mariah Elizabeth feel to it. Look at that, it has those cute little rainbows and clouds with little faces on them, I think. You can barely see it. And then this yellow one with hearts. So I get those for the fleece. Oh, and then they had these awesome bandanas. And these feel like they're nice cotton bandanas rather than polyester ones, which they sometimes have. Look at that. They're very colorful bandanas. And then they had this one. So I had to get those for the fabric. And then I got some more cosmetic sponges because I've been running out. I use those for painting a lot. And are there any more bags? Or have I gotten them all? I think that's everything. So, oh, I got some more of this, which I've already opened. I love this snack mix. It's really good. I think that's everything for this haul, but I have a special addition to this video, a surprise edition. I'm going to show you what Santa got me, and it's pretty exciting, and I'm going to do an unboxing with that. So stay tuned. Okay, folks, now I'm going to show you what Santa got me. Let's hold this up. It's a Cricut Joy. I've seen a lot of other DIYs use these Cricut machines for different things, and so I decided to ask Santa for this, and Santa fulfilled my wish. And so now I'm going to take my sharp pointy thing and I'm going to unbox this. Oops, I just almost lost my drink there. Okay, so you can't really see this on camera, but I'm taking my sharp pointy thing and I'm going to open this up and we're going to see what's inside. I've not even opened this yet, so I don't know how this is going to work. Okay, so there's things on the side here. There we go. There we go. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing so far. I guess this thing is to protect it. And there's the machine inside. Let's see if I can pull it out. Oh, it's nice and compact. Look at that. There it is. And it's wrapped in plastic, so I'll probably have to take the plastic off. And then, this says, open me. So let's open it. And we'll see what's inside. Okay, it says, let's get started. Use these during setup, smart vinyl sample, and blade. You'll insert this smart material when the screen prompts you. The blade is already installed. It cuts intricate shapes with ease. So that's kind of a starter thing. And is this, I'm not sure if this is some of the vinyl. I don't know. Looks more like just a piece of paper. Oh, this looks like vinyl right here. Yeah. And then there's the little mat that goes with it. I know that's pretty important. Warranty FCC statement. Yeah. Important safety instructions. I probably won't throw that away, but probably just, it's basically like don't eat it and don't stick your finger in the light socket and stuff like that. Obvious things. Okay, here we go. Down here, we've got, this is the cords to plug it in. That's that. And then there's this, which looks like it says fine point pen. Okay, so that's good. Does it have that little thing that I see people use where it's, I think it's called a weeding tool. I don't see that in here. Well, let's see. And what about more complete instructions? Because I'm not really seeing anything more in this box other than this packing material. Nope, there isn't anything more. Put this back in there. Wait a moment. Wow. Get that aside. So I'm wondering where the actual instructions are for this. Oh, it says go to cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step. So that means I need to get on the computer and figure all that out. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing next. That's kind of cool. But I thought you guys would enjoy watching me unbox this, and I'm going to be using this in some of my future DIYs. So stay tuned for that.
Do something cool. Be cool.
Okay, folks, I've got my Cricut Joy set up, and I've chosen an image, a test image, because it comes with its own little piece of vinyl there, and I'm going to do my first test cut. So that means I'm going to go over to my computer here, and I'm going to click on OK. And let's see what happens. There it goes. It says test cut complete. So let me just pull this out here. Okay. It's not pulling out easily, so let's see if there's something else that I need to do here. Unload. There we go. That's it. Remove cut image. And see, I cut out a sunflower. You can see that there. Let's see what it says over here. That's it. Remove the cut image from the backer. And that's it. Okay, that was exciting. So we now return you to our regular scheduled video.